Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you. So how to disable the button in Flutter. So for example, like this one, here you can see how it works. So after tapping on it, it's tappable, and if we just tap on it, it's untappable. So how we can also just do it. So here you can see how we just write a class. This is abstract class, so, and this is our actually class that extends from our abstract class, so in which we just use the function toggle button, in which we just use set state for inversion. So for toggle, sorry, and actually after that we can use we just write widget. So here you can see it, in which we just show different text and change color depends on pressed or not, and here you can see is button disabled. So this is our bool, which we also used for this thing like checking if we need to enable it or disable. So here is also initializing of it, and here is we just add it to our main widget, like call this widget, and here you can see how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.